Our next topic is the single tune voltage amplifier. The single tune voltage amplifier means this amplifier to select a particular frequency, that is the radio frequency, that is using the higher frequency ranges, to select a particular frequency range and amplify this signal, that is called a tune voltage amplifier. When we use a single tuned tank circuit, that is called single tune voltage amplifier. Means this circuit is the single, that's uses the single tune voltage amplifier. And next we topic discuss the double tune voltage amplifier. Double tune voltage amplifier, to observe this one, this is the one of the tank circuit or tune circuit, and second is the this one, that's why we use called as a double tune amplifier. Now to focus upon the single tune voltage amplifier. Here the single tune voltage amplifier, that one of the transistor, which is the transistor has the three terminal device, means this is your collector, this is your base, this is your emitter. This is a common emitter circuit. In this collector, this is the connected tank circuit, or also called a tune circuit. You also announce this one, this is a tank circuit or tune circuit. Now the combination of L and C, this is the tank circuit. Now the C is the variable of this capacitance in a tank circuit. Now this inductor is mutually coupled with your output, and output is obtained when this collector tank circuit, using collector tank circuit. Now first focus the your circuit description. The circuit description is in this way. There is a transistor. In this transistor, the collector terminal connected a tune circuit, and the input is provided in your input side, and output is obtained in your tank circuit through couple. Now this observe this one, means this is already defined, means consider the parallel resonance circuit, or also called a, this also called a parallel resonance circuit, or also called a tank circuit, connected in the collector, and usually capacitor is variable, means capacitor is varying. The value of L and C to select a resonance frequency equal to your signal frequency to apply to your this tune circuit. Now to focus upon the working, when there are different types of your frequency signal is present in this input terminal, also be considered such like that, this different station have the different frequency, and to select a particular station by varying the capacitance, or other way we can say the different signal frequencies present in this input side, and to select a particular frequency, now the select particular frequency by this tune circuit, means whatever your tune circuit has resonance frequency, now this resonance frequency is same as your input side signal frequency, then this resonance frequency and this input signal frequency match, that particular signal is now amplified by your amplifier, means your voltage amplifier, means such like your, this is your common emitter circuit. Means working is the different types of frequency signal is present in this input side. Now the particular frequency is selected by your tank circuit. Now this particular frequency, that is your resonance frequency, is now same as your signal frequency, that signal frequency is selected. Now this signal frequency is selected, then amplified by your this transistor, and the amplified output is obtained in this your output of your collector terminal. This is the working of your single tune voltage amplifier. This is the written here whatever I explained. Now also this is the as a amplifier, also one of the working is the to select a particular station or particular signal frequency and reject the other signal frequency. Means when the station have the different frequency and we select a particular station frequency, to select a particular station frequency by this tank circuit and reject the other station frequency. This is your working of your single tune voltage amplifier. This also written all these points whatever I explained. Now next to move the frequency response curve. The frequency response curve is plotted between gain versus frequency. The frequency response curve of single tune amplifier is plotted between gain versus frequency. Now at particular resonance frequency, the gain is maximum. Means whatever the station we are catch, the gain is obtained is maximum at particular resonance frequency. This is the plot of your frequency response, gain versus frequency. Now the particular station or particular signal is selected at resonance frequency, the gain is maximum here, and other is rejected signal or other station is also rejected. Means this is only amplified by your single tune voltage amplifier and other station is rejected or other signal frequency is rejected. Now that is one of the point. The voltage gain decrease when the frequency varies on either side of resonant frequency. This is the meaning of this one. Means the resonance frequency either side, means this side or this side, the gain is decreases. This is the means if we compare the resonance frequency of the center point and we move the center either side, the gain is decreases. This is written here. Means the work of your single tune voltage amplifier, means particular station are selected or particular signal frequency are selected by the selecting of your tank circuit by varying your capacitance. Whatever the resonance of your tank circuit, now this resonance frequency whatever available in the input side, this is now matched. The particular station is now selected and this selected signal is amplified by your transistor and the output is obtained in your collector through your coupled in your tank circuit. This is the circuit description and there is working and the frequency response plot. Now to move your double tune voltage amplifier. The double tune voltage amplifier, the working is similar way, only the circuit is changed here. To observe this one, what the circuit is changes, we use a double tune, means double tank circuit or double your parallel resonance circuit. This one of the, this is the second, this is the double tune voltage amplifier. Now the working is similar way. Now what are the, compare with your single tune voltage amplifier, what are the benefits of this double tune amplifier? This is by using the double tune amplifier we obtain a high selectivity, means particular station is high selective selection, and high gain obtained of particular signal or particular station, and required bandwidth, means the required bandwidth is the more as compared to your single tune voltage amplifier. Means overall compare, means obtain high selectivity, high gain and required bandwidth by using double tune voltage amplifier. The circuit description is similar way, we use a two tank circuit or tune circuit, L1 and C1 one of the, and second is the L2 and C2, and similar one of the transistor used here. We apply the input and we obtain output of second tune circuit. Now this L1 and L2, to observe this one, the mutual, this L1 and L2 are mutual coupled. By this coupling we obtain the output your second tank circuit, across your second tank circuit. The operation is the similar way, means whatever your tank circuit is varying your capacitance, the varying your capacitance, the resonance of frequency is whatever your signal is match this resonance frequency, then this particular signal is selected and the selected signal is now amplified by your transistor and this amplified output obtained in your second of your tank circuit and the second of tuned circuit output obtained. One of the important here things is that the L1 and L2 mutually coupled. This coupling is depend upon the there is the how much there is the transition between this L1 and L2. To observe this one, first operation is similar way what you were explained in the single tune voltage amplifier. To select a there is an input side, there are different types of frequency signal is present, and the particular station is now selected by this tank circuit what the frequency of resonance frequency, and this is your signal what we want to select. This is the match. Now this is match, then particular station is selected. Now the selected signal is now amplified by your transistor, and the transistor output is obtained in your second tank circuit. This is the working of your double tune voltage amplifier. Now to focus upon the frequency response curve. This is the plot between gain versus means voltage gain versus your frequency. Similar, we plot the single tune voltage amplifier. This also plot here. Here the single tune voltage amplifier the plot. This is the double tune. To observe this one, there is a 3 plotted here. Now this plot is first focus upon the coupling coefficient. The coupling coefficient depends upon your L1 and L2. Coupling coefficient depend upon the how much this L1 and L2 is mutually coupled. This values depend upon the your coefficient of coupling, or this is depend upon the coefficient of coupling, means how much this L1 and L2 depend upon to each other. When the K1 is equal to Kc, thus here Kc is depend the critical coupling. We consider one of the values the critical coupling is equal to K1, means we consider the K1 is this one and this was the Kc, means both values is the same. When mutual coupling is the value or the coefficient of coupling is the same value, then we obtain a frequency response curve is this one, means we obtain a only this curve. This is your when K1 is equal to Kc. This graph is plotted, means we obtain here only the single maximum. Single maximum means only one maximum. This is the center point is drawn here when K1 is equal to Kc. When K2 is the 1.5 times of Kc. Kc is the critical coefficient coupling value. Okay. This one equal to critical coefficient Kc. Now this is happened, then we obtain the two maximum. This is the plot, this is the second plot. Here to observe this is the two maximum, one of the maximum, this one is the maximum. Now next, when we change the value of your coefficient of coupling, when 2 times of your critical coefficient, then we obtain this one of the third. To observe this one, when we obtain the bandwidth, this is bandwidth is more obtained here, means we suppose we draw this form, then is the more bandwidth obtained as compared to single tune. Suppose this is value is the here is a single, means more bandwidth obtained. This is depend the maxima and this is depend the 0.707. Then this point is cut out, then this is selected here. This range of frequency is the bandwidth. Means overall conclusion of this one, in the double tune amplifier we obtain the more bandwidth, and this the frequency response curve is plotted with respect to your coefficient of coupling, how much L1 and L2 are mutually coupled to each other. This is your double tune voltage amplifier. The purpose of your any tune circuit is to select a particular station and amplify that particular station and obtain the output in the collector and reject the other station. This is your tune amplifier work.